What's up guys, it's Jason here. I regret to inform you that this nerd lair in this version is going away. I have a lot of changes coming into the basement here, and I've actually already started to implement those changes, very sadly. What I'm gonna be doing is turning this basement into a small rental unit. This piece here is gonna be a bathroom, and then immediately here is going to be a kitchenette. The feature wall is going away, just gonna be replaced with standard sheetrock. Moved around a little bit. The portion of my video gaming area that was over here is actually gonna be the bedroom, and it will have that nice large window. Guys, this basement unit as a rental is gonna bring in probably $850, $900 a month. While I did enjoy working down here in the basement when I had my job in corporate healthcare, I don't work down here full time anymore. Of course, I still do have my small eBay store, but as a collection room, a hangout spot, a video gaming area, it's going away completely. I'm moving this space upstairs into the small guest bedroom that's been used as a guest bedroom slash my wife's working area. This video is gonna span probably 3 or 4 months. We're gonna follow all the progress. I'll show you what this room looks like, what the new room looks like upstairs. We'll talk rental numbers all in this video, so stay tuned. Guys, the wall is completely gone. I know it looked good before, but it wasn't really gonna match the rest of the apartment down here. It wasn't up to code, plus it was in the wrong spot that I'm wanting it to be. You can see the stain where it was. I need it to be about 8 inches more to the right, but that's fine. I'm gonna be able to use probably 80% of what I tore down here. Just gotta clean these up a little bit. Aside from that, the framing is looking good so far. I finished laying all the drywall that I'm able to lay. The plumber still has to come back and do phase 2 of the bathroom and also phase 3 before the electrician comes back finally for his second portion of electrical work in here and in the bathroom. So drywall can't go up anywhere else just yet, but since everything is hung, I can go ahead and start mudding my first coat. Gonna do 3 coats total. I can only do a little bit each day because of course it does need a full day to dry. Well guys, if I look tired, it's because I just woke up. I put in a few 11-hour days over the last 3 days and really got this renovation coming to a close. I'm almost on what I would call the finishing stage of this reno. And what that will be is just flooring, shelves, the sliding door, the pot lights themselves instead of just light bulbs, and baseboards, which take forever. Now, what I need to do before I get to that finishing stage is to simply put one more coat of paint in the bathroom here. It's gonna go by very fast here shortly, and then I'm gonna jump right into cutting wood. I was also able to put a fresh coat of paint on what I'm calling my eBay room. This staircase here is gonna be labeled as a common area. There's gonna be some shiplap here and a bench. And then I'll have access to this little bit of storage space, which is under the stairs, provides access to the water main and the crawl space. Thought this would be a fun eBay room to store products that are sold, all my boxes, and then maybe even film from in here about shipping and packing eBay orders, which could be fun. And of course, I've done that in the past. Now it's on to the flooring. Using the same stuff I had in here last time, this flooring's only about 3 years old. I threw away some planks that got a little too water damaged from normal wear and tear. They're all dusty, plenty of them are dirty, but I think they'll clean up nicely. I didn't want to spend $1,000 on new flooring, considering this is only a few years old. Hope you enjoyed the renovation. It took much longer than expected. I was hoping to have it done in about 4 months. It spanned about 12 months. The reason that is because my wife and I had purchased 3 other homes that also needed some work on them, so that took most of my time. We did spend about $17,000 on the renovation. We have the room listed now. We're getting a ton of responses. We're just sifting through everything to make sure we get the perfect tenant. Very happy with how it came out. This game room looks decent. I'm glad I kept my eBay storage room down there. Everything went as planned. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave a comment below. I'll see you next time.